Hey y'all, welcome to Simple Living with Michelle Davenport. I'll tell you what I have been so enjoying over the holiday season, and that is some dried orange slices, candy covered orange slices. Sugar coated, really. Candy coated. Anyway, I've been enjoying these oranges that are candy coated and in my cup of tea, and oh my gosh, y'all, it is so good. It just brings just a tiny sweetness to your tea. I don't even put anything in there. I just put the orange slice and that sweetens my tea. And I was thinking, you know what? I'm going to make that for my channel because it's so easy to do. It's a wonderful neighbor gift. You could make these orange slices, put them in a cute little jar, put a ribbon on them. If you wanted to go the extra mile, you could buy some tea and put that with that, some loose tea or some packaged tea. But anyway, that's what I was thinking. I also thought, well, you know what? We'll string some oranges up on a twine and we'll use them for decorations too. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do on my channel today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. If you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. And if you do not want to miss any upcoming videos, just tap on that bell and it'll alert you when I have uploaded one. So you know what I always say, go out there and be willing to be an answer to someone else's prayer today. Woo! Now let's get cooking. Bye-bye. Okay, we're ready to make our sugar glazed orange slices. So first of all, you're going to start out with 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and you're going to cook this for until all the sugar and the water is dissolved, and then you're going to add a little bit of vanilla extract, let's say a teaspoon. After your sugar and your water dissolves. Go ahead and give that a little stir just to incorporate the sugar and the water. These orange slices will be good for an array of things. You can put them on top of a cake, the sugar glazed orange slices. You can put them in your tea. You can put them on your tree. You can string them with some twine and decorate your tree with them. You could eat them just plain. Just go ahead and just use them as a snack. You can also melt some chocolate and dip your orange slices half in chocolate. And you'll have a chocolate orange slice to go with your tea. So there's a lot of things you can do. They're very versatile. You can use the twine and put it and wrap a gift and put it on a gift on the outside of the gift. Just to add some decorations. Yep, there's an array of things you can do. So you just keep on cooking the water and the sugar together until everything is dissolved, and then you'll want to add your teaspoon of vanilla when all the sugar has dissolved into the water. Then you'll add your vanilla. And that's how we'll roll. I have so enjoyed having these slices, these crystallized orange slices with my tea. It just brings, oh, well, you can add it to your Celsius water, club soda, whatever, your sparkling water. You can add a slice to that to make it a little bit more festive for the holidays. I don't know. Y'all leave me some comments if you think of something else you can do with them. The main thing I love these orange slices for is to go in my tea. I always have an afternoon cup of tea, and if I'm at home in the afternoon. So not as often as I'd like, but anyway, I do have it. And so this is all, the sugar's almost dissolved. And once it does, you're gonna add that vanilla. Okay, it's dissolved, so I'm gonna turn my heat down to low. It's not to cook out my vanilla. And then I'm just gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla. I make mine homemade. I'll maybe do that on my channel as well. Just toss in a teaspoon of vanilla. And next we're gonna cut up our orange slices. Get that just going low. Let's see if I can move you around to some orange slices. Yes. Okay, so you're just gonna cut up, I would say, I'm doing 2 trays, so I'm going to cut up probably 3 oranges. That's about how thick you want it. Not real thick, not real thin. but just right. You seriously can't mess this up, y'all. And the taste, oh my gosh. Cut off the ends. Once you get your orange slices cut up, you're just gonna go ahead and one by one put them into that sugar water. And you're gonna cook this for about 20 minutes until the oranges become kind of translucent themselves. That's it. After we cook them for 20 minutes, then we're gonna pop them in the oven. Okay, our oranges are done, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put them on the cookie tray with a silk pat on there, or you can use some parchment paper as well. And you just wanna set your orange slices on your silk pat or your parchment paper. And we're gonna put them in an oven at 210 degrees for about 30 minutes until they're dried out and candied. Now you don't wanna get rid of your simple syrup here because it has the aroma of all the oranges in there. So you can use this simple syrup, you can use it to sweeten some of your tea. You can use it to spritz up your Celsius water for the holidays, or just save it to do another batch of some kind of citrus fruit. It can be lemons, you can do grapefruit, you can do limes. You can do this method with so many different citrus fruits out there. It's not limited to just oranges. So this is just the method, but it's not really a recipe. So you can go out there and do it to any of your favorite citrus fruit too, and add it to whatever you want. They're also beautiful with the blood oranges. Makes an awesome decoration. And that's it. You're pretty much done. I'm going to show you in a bit also that you can string these oranges up on twine and add them to your tree or as a garland in a windowsill. And they're just beautiful. Plus they just perfume. They permanently perfume whatever area you put them in. So anyway, just a very versatile method of drying out fruit for your tea or whatever you want it for. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Now all you do is put your orange slices inside your container. After they cool, you'll fill them up, you'll put them in there, and then you will either give them away or keep them for yourself. I'll show you a final shot when I'm all done. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. God bless you.